Okay, let's start to connect the Wi-Fi camera to local Wi-Fi. First, connect the battery. Then press the on-off button till the device is on. Go to the mobile app. Download the TinyCam Pro app and allow the notification and the location services. After around 1 minute, let's go inside the Wi-Fi setting and choose the Wi-Fi single start with AIS, connect to connect. After this Wi-Fi is connected, there will be a Wi-Fi symbol here. Then we can do the next steps. Go to the TinyCam Pro app. Click the add. Then search. We will see this device. Connect to add. Confirm. Okay, until this step, this is the P2P mode. We can see this is P2P mode and don't need Wi-Fi. Okay, then let's go to the next step to connect it to local Wi-Fi so you can check live video anywhere in the world. Click the gear symbol, Wi-Fi config. Choose the 2.4G Wi-Fi. Click and insert password. Next. Now the device is connecting to local Wi-Fi. Automatically, we can quit the app and insert later. We see the camera now is online. Click to check online video. Now this camera is connected to local Wi-Fi, so you can check live video anywhere in the world. If you want to reset the device, just press the reset key here till the Wi-Fi indicator is off, around 8 to 10 seconds. Click. Now device is resetted. That's all. Thank you.